Happy 96th birthday, Tatay! Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigyan ka niya ng 96 blessed years sa buhay mo. Thank you din, Tatay, sa love at sa mga kwento mo na para bang hindi nauubos. By God's grace, looking forward na sana ma-celebrate pa natin ang centennial birthday mo. Kaya ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo at huwag ka magpasaway ha. Kapag kailangan natin ng magpa-check up or konting may nararamdaman, huwag kang magpapasaway pag sinabi kong magpapa-check up, pa-check up agad ha. Para lagi kang malusog. See you soon and I love you so much. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tatay. We wish you a good birthday. More birthdays until 100. And we love you always. And see you soon!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay. Again. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay.
Tatay! Happy birthday! Ngayon ay 96 years old ka na. Yeah, thanks God, di ba? At ang lakas-lakas pa ng tatay namin. Tay, isa lang naman ang winu-wish namin lahat sa iyo na good health saka long life. Kasi yun ang importante talaga para makasama ka pa namin ng matagal. Diba? Para siyempre, mas masaya talaga pag nandyan ka para sa amin din lahat. Happy birthday, Tatay! See you soon! Enjoy your birthday, ha! Maliit lang ang aming, kahit na maliit lang ang aming gift sa iyo, pero yan ay galing sa aming mga puso. Love you! See you soon! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Lolo! I wish you.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Babalik po kami dyan.
Happy birthday.
Jagay! Itim na naman po ako.
Bye na, bye na, bye na.
Happy birthday, Tatay!
I love you and I will go to province.
And then,
Go, message.
Tatay, happy birthday! I love you! Tay, inuman na tay. Ikaw.
Sabi na ako.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay more birthdays pa to celebrate and good health.
Hello, Tatay. Happy birthday. I know we are far from you, but our prayers are always there for your health, for your good health all the time. Keep your body healthy, and we will celebrate your 100 years soon. From your kana right here, happy birthday. I'm sorry I cannot include all your uploads in my video. They are far, but rest assured that they are praying for your health. Have a happy, wonderful birthday. See you soon. Bye.
Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay. We miss you.
We love you very much.
At mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Uuwi po kami dyan.
At magkikita po tayo ulit. Happy po! Enjoy your day!
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. I love you. Malapit na kami umuwi. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.